Nightfox Vulpes is a digital night vision binocular which has an integrated laser rangefinder. It has 6 times optical magnification, 2 18650 rechargeable batteries and 2 powerful infrared LEDs. In the box you'll find a carry case containing the Nightfox Vulpes with a 32GB memory card pre-installed, a manual, a micro USB cable and a neck strap. So let's get started. To turn on, long press the power button until the viewing screen illuminates. Both the card port and the USB port can be found just above the eyepiece. The Vulpes also comes with a micro SD card already installed. If you need to eject the card, simply press it until it springs out. This icon indicates that no SD card has been installed. To replace your micro SD card, push it back into the slot with the pins facing down until it clicks. To see at night, press the IR buttons. Press the IR buttons to scroll through 7 levels of brightness. Skip straight to IR0 by holding down the IR- key. Use the IR0 if you're using an external infrared flashlight such as the Nightfox Spectrum. The Vulpes will start picking up infrared light without turning on its own infrared LEDs. Press this button to enable the Laser Rangefinder. The distance measured is highlighted here. Long press the rangefinder button to switch between meters and yards. To adjust the screen brightness, short press the power button until the desired brightness is reached. You can adjust the image focus by turning the lens at the front of your device. Press the zoom button to operate the 3 times digital zoom. Hold the button down for a quicker scroll through. The Vulpes records audio via the microphone on the bottom of the unit. To start recording or to take photos, simply press the OK button. A recording icon will appear at the top of the screen. The length of the recording appears here. To stop recording, press the OK button again. Press the Mode button to flick between 4 modes: Video, Photo, Playback and Settings. You can review your videos and photos on the Vulpes itself, however you must view the videos on a computer to hear the audio. Use the IR buttons to scroll through. This number indicates how many are stored on the SD card. To play or delete a clip or photo, short press the OK button and scroll with the IR buttons. You can also delete all footage from this menu. The settings screen allows you to reconfigure your Nightfox for optimal performance. Auto Power Off configures a Nightfox to turn off after a certain period of non-use if required. Format SD erases everything on your installed memory card. The second prompt will give you a chance to cancel if you're not sure. Switch LiDAR stamp to on if you want the rangefinder readings stamped onto your recordings. LiDAR unit is another way to change the rangefinder readings, from meters to yards. To input the correct date and time on your device, press the OK button on each option and use the IR buttons to scroll to the desired number. Enabling the date and time tag will show a visible timestamp on your videos. Use the included micro USB cable to charge the battery and download footage in MP4 format onto your computer. You can power the Vulpes whilst in use by using a USB power bank. These symbols will then appear on screen. You can also use a wall socket for the fastest charging. This symbol will appear on screen when the Nightfox is off. With the Nightfox turned off, connect the cable to your computer. Make sure a micro SD card is installed when downloading footage. In Windows, navigate to your File Explorer. Your videos will appear in a folder for you to import. To attach the included neck strap, feed the strap from the outside in through the tether points on each side of the device. Create some slack by pulling the strap upwards in the middle of the plastic fastener. This will create a loop. Pull both ends tightly to fix down the strap in the fastener. To turn the device off, long press the power button.